Scotch bonnet pepper. Come on, come over. Oh my God, look.
Oh, that's a different color. That's the golden.
love
That's the golden one.
I have to use a machete to chop out and make sure to. All right, come Donnie, come in, girl, come in. Yeah, chop out. So that tree, when name again?
Coolie plum.
Coolie plum tree. There's none on it though. So I'm going to. Yep.
But you know, if you hold my shit, man.
Not that.
That tree,
Oh, that's a one cherry tree. Sorry.
turn from the right side. You're not forgetting it.
We're going to the right.
We're going to the right, so just chop down. Right.
Remember to close the gate, Joseph. You don't want the cows them getting out.
Right, there we go. So we're making space to walk. Right, here we go. Oh my God. Here we go. Okay. Yes. I can pick peppers.
Okay.
Right.
I'm scared what over here.
This is Jamaica Scotch bonnet pepper. Come on, come over. Oh my God, look.
Oh, that's a different color. That's the golden.
love
That's the golden one.
This is the golden and something bite it, but we don't care because we're gonna smell it. Oh. Jamaica Scotch bonnet. Guys, I'm on the farm. So join me, I'm gonna pick a few peppers. So here we are. Look, I'm gonna have more. Let me get my.
See, Joseph,
Sorry, no.
Joseph is more prepared than you.
Yeah, but I'm going to pick some in my shirt.
No, you might get
No, man, that's for the video. Don't worry.
Okay.
It's just for the video. It's stylization, Joseph. Fingernail won't allow me. Right, so I'm picking peppers, guys. You know how to pick peppers?
That's
You
the way.
pick it from the
That's
stem.
the way Grandma used to do it. Pick it and put it in her shirt.
Yes, that's it. So pick it from the stem, make sure, and the stem protects the pepper. It keeps it for days or even weeks, keeps it fresh. But this is the bonnet. You see how the shape of the pepper? But these are some really bright orange color. So I'm gonna pick some right here, these ones, and then I'll move over to another. And my machete is with me, but I'm gonna give Joseph. Come over. Look at this one, guys. Beauty personified. Pretty much. And then it matches my
Matches your shirt, innit?
matches my shirt. Wow. That's oh, this is a big one. Show me the best one, Joe. So I'm just gonna walk right through. So Donnie, if you come this way, then I can just walk up. My God, it's really massive. So now if you come, so I'm walking in the pepper field. Can I pick up a whole tree?
You crazy?
I'm just joking. Can I pick up a whole tree? Hmm? So this is a Scotch bonnet.
But they all Scotch bonnet, aren't they?
This one.
They're all the same. They're all the same. They're pretty, not you, Donnie?
Yeah, really
It's
pretty.
so pretty. Look,
So,
all I can
Joseph.
see.
So why aren't you selling these peppers?
Tomorrow, it's not picking up.
Oh,
Oh,
I thought you grow them for the birds.
also tomorrow is picking day. So guys, tomorrow is picking day.
Reaping
Where's
day.
your market?
I bought some silly.
Oh. They are so gorgeous. Wow. Ooh. Donnie kids me running on the top.
Run along.
I can't believe it. No, there's so much to pick, guys. I'm just showing you the hard work. So come over here, Joseph. Let's have a chat right here. Right here where I think this is the best pepper. Yeah, right here. Let's have a talk about how you grow. Because you know I grow Scotch bonnet pepper in London. And when the first time I reaped Scotch bonnet pepper, it was the most exciting thing ever because it's hard. And I remember Donnie. Every time I pick a pepper, I remember her. Because I turned to her and I said, Donnie, how long does the pepper take? And she said to me, P, 3 to 4 months. I never forget. That's in London. So tell my viewers how you grow your peppers, how you start them off, how you treat them, and the time span and all of that. So go on. Guys, this is Josie.
Did you sow your pepper seed or did you buy the seed?
We buy the sucker.
Oh, you buy the seed, the sucker.
And set it. And set it and catch up and sell it. And we plant it. So take a 6 month beer. Plant and beer.
Plant and beer.
Have it on drip.
So there's a drip irrigation, if you see.
See yours here.
So
Have it on drip.
right.
Yeah.
So right through the drought, it is still
So-
it's still in operation. We have water.
So in theory, these peppers were planted in January. Did you say? Because it's 6 months now, isn't it?
Yeah.
January. So it takes 6 months to become to fruition.
Yeah.
And, So how you treat them? How you prevent the slugs and the insects and all of that?
We buy the spray.
You spray.
Spray.
Okay.
The Liza include.
Okay. So
And
guys,
the Liza means fertilizer.
Fertilizer. So every pick up, we spray.
You
Oh.
spray and then you give them
to
a
protect
boost.
it.
Right.
Right. So do you mold the tree when
No.
you don't mold it?
No.
Just leave it.
Just leave it.
Right.
Step on up the mold.
Step on off a mold. Oh,
But we have tough land still.
tough land.
We plow this year.
Oh,
This one plow.
okay.
So in coca man, isn't it?
Yeah.
And
Oh.
coca man, so we can put coca man, so it's tough.
Oh.
Yeah.
So cocoa, what's cocoa man?
We call them pan come.
Oh, the cow. Oh, the
Oh.
cows couldn't take. Oh, so so the pepper definitely is the best land for the peppers.
Yeah.
Right. So guys, there's a lot of cattle across there, and he was saying this land is too tough for them. So this is how they utilize this land by planting peppers. And this is acres of peppers, and they'll be reaping. Tomorrow is harvest day. They'll be reaping, and they already have their
Market.
They what?
The market.
Market. Thank you, Donnie. They already have their market. But I am pleased. Thank you so much to allow me to come and see this, because it's so wonderful. It is so beautiful. I love it. And I would come back again, definitely. But yes, you guys have done a good job. Tell me something, right? When you get up in the mornings, what time do you come on your field?
He'll buy her 5:30.
5:30.
I can hear just about 25 after 6.
25 past 6. So literally your work starts, say 6:30 then, in a sense.
My work starts at 8 o'clock.
Oh, so you don't mind the sun? Oh, because I thought that you guys come out before the sun come out.
Yeah, me alone. You come late. You come at 9, 10 o'clock.
Yeah, but then the sun hot, so how you work through the sun?
Someone who he work. Work already.
You work already, and him come after.
Yeah.
So, but then, okay, so the sun get hotter like 11, 12.
Yeah.
Oh, and then
I
this,
come out at.
and you come out here. So what time you finish in the day? You stay till evening time?
I mean, just stay till 3:30. Be there and going.
Oh, but then the sun hot still, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you see, guys, the grind starts from 5 o'clock, 5:30. So when I don't hear people say that much for them a market, and them say this, don't quarrel. It's hard work, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's
man.
hard work.
I know at first burn it, I know.
And they have lots of weed in. Oh, you to burn it out.
Yeah, burn.
Oh, so how you burn it when after you finish put the pepper?
And I can pick the burn before the pepper.
Oh, they're skillful. They can burn it while the pepper is still on the tree, and you know harm the peppers.
No.
That's a skill.
Yeah, you have certain herbicides that does not harm the pepper but will kill the tree.
Oh.
And then I just keep it on down low long so.
Mhm.
And just burn out it.
And you so you've been farming for how long now? Years.
Years. Yeah.
You're born in it,
Yeah.
growing it.
Yeah.
Trust me. On the rocks. Trust me. When you talk about, you see him say, oh, they are so tough. This is tough like a rock. So Jamaica farming on the rocks. We are on an adventure. I am from London and I come to see how hard these people work. So when you see me in England and I sell my sauce, don't say nothing to me. Don't say nothing to me because it's a hard work. So we're not going any further. We just want to make sure we see, you know, we're just going to pick some more peppers. Yeah, let me just pick some more. Which one we pick? Come on, Donnie, if you can zoom in point. Yes, so let me, I got zoom in point. If you, right guys, let me, so you can. So guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe. I'm going to continue picking some peppers and then we'll go to, where are we going next?
Yes, probably
We're going to see the cow farm and then the last part is the honey and then we go. All right? Thank you so